Hello guys and welcome to this Vendoo cross-listing tutorial. Now Vendoo is a cross-listing tool built specifically for resellers. So you build one listing inside Vendoo and it pushes that listings to whichever marketplace you actually sell on. It can be like eBay, Poshmark, Depop, Vinted, Mercury, Etsy, the Facebook Marketplace, Grail, and many more. So over 10 platforms in total. And it's also going to handle the unglamorous part, which is the tracking the inventory, catching sold items before you accidentally sell the same thing twice, and refreshing listings they have gone stale. Now, I have used it and read through real user feedback, not just like the sales page. So I'm going to flag what actually works smoothly and where still strips people up. Okay, as a couple of things before you list anything. First of all, you have to create your Vendoo account, and the free tier is gonna let you do the whole workflow and a handful of items before you pay for anything. Okay, so just start for free. And second, guys, it's very important you uninstall the Vendoo Cruise extension from the Chrome Web Store and pin it to your toolbar. Okay, so just add it here. This extension is actually going to be the engine behind cross-listing. So it was lets Vendoo talk to each marketplace real listing page, so do not skip it. So guys, the very next thing you're gonna have to do next is to connect every marketplace you actually sell on. So in the dashboard under connected marketplace, I'm just gonna connect to whichever I want. It can be Depop, Etsy, whatnot, Facebook, and so on. This is gonna allow Vendoo to automatically be able to post, edit, and delete on your behalf. If you're adding completely from fresh, you can skip straight to creating like a new listing by clicking on create a new item. So what you're gonna do is in this case, let's go create a new item. This guy is gonna be the core of the whole system, the master listing, okay? So you're gonna have to upload your photos, your description, and your price, all inside the Vendoo's own form. So for example, if you want to upload some sneakers from Nike, okay, this is going to be my title, and the description, you have to be very detailed. Something to consider is that this listing is not live yet at this point. This listing exists only inside Vendoo. It's sitting ready to be pushed out. So make sure you select the brand, the condition, things like that, okay? That's going to be mandatory. And also very importantly, the platform weight or the package weight, okay? Which for sneakers is going to be usually 2 kilos, no more than that. Finally, select the price. That's going to depend on your country of residence. In my case, the UK. I'm going to say $40, so 40 pounds. Now let's talk about the actual cross listing. So if you click on any of these things like Etsy and whatnot, which are my connected accounts, what's going to happen is that that's going to take you to the listing page in a new tab. Okay, so I'm just going to click here so you see. And as you can see, that's going to open the Etsy form, the specific Etsy form that has its own specific forms and like fields that you're going to have to fill, okay? And if you want to do it in whatnot, you're going to have to do it again the same or for any other platform. So the advantage of using this platform, Vendoo, is that as you can see, each platform has its own specific pre-form that is going to be pretty much pre-filled, except for a couple of details that you might want to fill, such as, for example, in Etsy, who was this, who made it, when was it made? Okay, but besides that, the whole thing is going to be already pre-made for you, like the description, the item, the title, so on, and the photos, very important. So guys, that's very good because if you spend just like, I don't know, 10 minutes in this form, in the Vendoo form, that's going to transfer immediately to the other platforms, okay, in a second. Okay, so once items have been sitting for a while, Vendoo delete and release tool refreshes them in 2 clicks, okay? So you can click on bulk action, you can do bulk delete and release, all right? And literally just by clicking on bulk delete and release, you can just pretty much pull them down and republish them, and that's gonna reset their position in each marketplace search and browse feeds, okay, which is always very important. Some people say that this doesn't matter and that, it doesn't matter whether it's old or new. If the market is not selling, then that's it. But, it makes sense that the algorithm is gonna prefer active listings and, recently. So yeah. So like I said before, just select the item and click on bulk delete and relist. Now, beyond listing, Vendoo also tracks your business. So if you go to analytics, you're gonna see the different revenue and profit by platform. So you can actually see whether eBay or Poshmark is pulling more weight for your specific inventory. And if you rather work in a spreadsheet for taxation or a business review, you can export your full inventory as a downloadable file anytime, just by basically clicking on export. And one quick tip that I want to give you guys, you can also save listing templates for anything you sell repeatedly. So for this, you're gonna have to choose a new item. And for example, let's say that I'm always wearing or selling specific jeans for specific brands or a common shoe size. So you're not rebuilding the same fields every time. What you can do is you can fill this description or this title with the particular stuff in here that you're gonna sell over and over again. And then you can click on create new template, okay? You need to have at least one field for this to work, okay? So you can do this, guys, and then just save your template, and that way you're gonna be able to reuse it every time. So you guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.